The business world is a noisy marketplace. Standing out is hard. Reaching the right customers with the right message is even harder. Companies spend countless hours and resources on marketing and sales, often with limited success. Traditional marketing methods are becoming less effective. Customers are bombarded with generic ads. They crave personalized experiences. Small businesses and entrepreneurs face a unique challenge. They have limited budgets and staff. Competing with larger companies seems impossible. Many struggle to keep up with the latest marketing trends. They lack the resources for expensive software and agencies. The result? Missed opportunities and slow growth. Now, imagine a world where marketing wasn't a maze, where reaching your ideal customer was simple and effective. This is the promise of AI-powered marketing. It's a game changer for businesses of all sizes. It's time to escape the marketing maze and embrace a smarter way to grow your business. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work. Marketing is no exception. AI-powered tools can automate tasks, analyze data, and create personalized experiences. This means less time wasted on mundane tasks and more time for strategic thinking. Imagine creating stunning marketing materials in minutes, not hours. AI can generate high-quality images, videos, and copy. It can even translate your content into multiple languages, expanding your reach to a global audience. Personalization is key in today's market. AI can analyze customer data to tailor messages and offers that resonate. AI is not just about creating content, it's about understanding your audience. AI-powered analytics can track customer behavior, identify trends, and predict future outcomes. This gives you valuable insights to optimize your marketing campaigns for maximum impact. Customer service is another area where AI shines. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant support and resolving issues quickly. This frees up your human team to focus on complex cases and building stronger customer relationships. MarketingBlocks is an all-in-one AI-powered marketing platform. It empowers businesses to leverage the power of AI without needing technical expertise. It's like having a team of marketing experts at your fingertips. Create stunning marketing assets, personalize customer journeys, and analyze data with ease. MarketingBlocks offers a suite of AI-powered tools. Generate high-quality marketing copy, images, and videos in minutes. Translate your content into multiple languages. Build landing pages and email sequences that convert. Automate your social media marketing. The possibilities are endless. MarketingBlocks integrates seamlessly with the tools you already use. Connect your CRM, email marketing platform, and social media accounts for a unified marketing experience. This saves you time and streamlines your workflow. MarketingBlocks is more than just a software. It's a community of marketers and entrepreneurs who are passionate about using AI to grow their businesses. Join the MarketingBlocks revolution and unlock your business potential. The future of marketing is AI-driven. Businesses that embrace AI will have a significant advantage in the years to come. Imagine a world where marketing is personalized, efficient, and highly effective. This is the future that MarketingBlocks is building. AI will continue to evolve, becoming even more sophisticated and powerful. We'll see new AI-powered tools emerge, solving even more complex marketing challenges. The key is to stay ahead of the curve and embrace these advancements. This isn't about replacing humans with machines. It's about empowering marketers with the tools they need to excel. AI will handle the repetitive tasks, allowing marketers to focus on strategy, creativity, and building meaningful customer relationships. The future of marketing is exciting. It's a future where businesses of all sizes can thrive. It's a future where customers receive personalized experiences that resonate. It's a future that MarketingBlocks is helping to create. MarketingBlocks is already making a difference for businesses around the world. Companies are seeing increased engagement, higher conversion rates, and significant time savings. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what real users have to say. MarketingBlocks has been a game changer for my business. I'm saving hours each week on content creation, and my marketing campaigns are more effective than ever before. Sarah J., small business owner. I used to struggle with creating engaging social media content. MarketingBlocks makes it so easy to generate eye-catching visuals and compelling copy. My social media engagement has skyrocketed. John K., marketing manager. These are just a few examples of the many businesses that are benefiting from MarketingBlocks. The results speak for themselves. AI-powered marketing is not just a trend, it's the future of business growth. The AI revolution is here. It's time to embrace the power of AI and transform your business. MarketingBlocks makes it easy to get started. No technical expertise is required. Check the link in the description to sign up for a free trial and experience the future of marketing for yourself. Don't let your business fall behind. Join the growing community of marketers and entrepreneurs who are using MarketingBlocks to achieve unprecedented growth. The future is now. Take control of your marketing and unlock your business potential with AI. Let MarketingBlocks be your guide on the journey to AI-powered marketing success. Take the first step today and unlock your business potential.